Hello there. Welcome to our next episode of What's Inside. Today, we're reviewing Keelat's 12-piece set of 1/2 drive ratchet wrenches. We have here a ratchet crafted from solid CRV steel with a sleek chromium coating. The ratchet mechanism is smooth, and the chromium finish gives it a premium look. The handle is quite comfortable and features a convenient lock and unlock mechanism. We also have an extension for those hard-to-reach areas. The extension has a precise and clean finish, suggesting durability. The 24mm socket is particularly impressive with its smooth surface, unlike other brands that can be rough. The set also includes 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, 13mm, 14mm, 15mm, 17mm, 19mm, and 21mm sockets. This set definitely earns a spot on my list of essential DIY tools. Follow and share for more videos like this. Bye!